So I finally did it. I finally bit the bullet and I bought a squat rack. Power cage, power rack, squat cage, whatever. I know I'm never going to get to the gym and work out because I just don't go to the gym and work out. I work out, not at the gym. So I'm taking my doctor's advice. I'm finally hitting the weights. It only takes 2 years, so what can I say? I'm a fast learner. So I'm not going to lift a ton of weights. I don't need a 1,000-pound power rack, but I do need some sort of cage to keep me alive for when I drop the weights on myself, because I got these tiny little chicken arm muscle things left after 2 years of weight loss. So I was looking around at the different ones and I finally settled on the Titan Fitness T2, and then I said I'm gonna save money and buy a generic version. Now I could have bought a couple of generic versions that have great reviews on Amazon, but instead I looked at the specs and I picked a seller off of eBay and I got a rack for $209. I'll put a link or a picture somewhere right up here. Plus tax in California, which is almost 10%. So $229 shipped to the door for a squat rack slash power cage, mostly. I'll tell you, it was a no-name brand from the seller One Big Outlet on eBay. It looks like this. 2 boxes, and the company is it's a Akanza power rack. There's the item number right there for all you playing at home. Because I'm going to take a video of me putting this thing together, and then I'll cut to the setup of what it looks like when it's all together and when it's holding up some weight. I'll do an unboxing real quick right here. Okay, I got the whole thing unboxed. And it comes with the safety guides and all these parts. There's those, and the plastic end caps, and the steel. The steel's pretty thick. So it looks simple enough. Should only take a few hours to put together, maybe 5, 6. Got that finished. It only took an hour or so of real work time. I had to stop and get a 11x16 socket for the M10 bolt head. So there it is. It feels pretty sturdy. Here I am in it. Not that I can do a pull-up yet, but you know, that's what we get it. To work out and get stronger. I'm going to unbox and build the bench and the weight set next. So those will be separate videos. So if you're bored to tears already, don't bother clicking those. Till then, keep on losing. That's what I said in the other videos.